Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Welcome to Ninh Binh. Now I wouldn't say avoiding Ninh Binh, but I've been reluctant to come here, and just because everyone always tells me, like, come to Ninh Binh, you'll love it, it's beautiful. One of my best friends in the world just told me I would love this. And Mark, if you're listening, watching, I know you are. Yeah, you were right, Ninh Binh's pretty damn amazing. Damn it. And what I love so far is just the energy. Like, whilst I don't want to sound like a hippie, because I hate all that stuff, no offense. I mean, hippies are people too. But I'm staying in Tam Coc, and that's, I guess, where most of the backpackers and travelers are staying, from what I've seen. And so yesterday I rocked up in the afternoon. It was much nicer than it is today. It's a bit misty this morning. Yeah, my first impressions were pretty damn good. I just sort of checked into my accommodation and went for a bit of a ride, 5 minutes down the road, and found some beautiful scenes. Just the town itself of Tam Coc is so beautiful. And then I went down to the lake and looked at the boats. I didn't really want to do a boat tour yesterday. I'll go do a different one tomorrow. But again, those scenes and those beautiful views were just breathtaking, actually. Oh, I did not expect that to be so. Oh, it's a floating bridge. That was a surprise. It's actually moving as well. That's a bit weird. So the ride from Ma Chao to Ninh Binh was supposed to be 3 hours. It took me about 3.5. I just took a few breaks. I'm just trying to be nice to the bike. It's an old bike and I want to take care of her. I was starving, so I went to the best pizza place in Vietnam. According to the sign, it says the best pizza in Vietnam. I mean, check this pizza out. Like, check it out. Look at that thing. It is absolutely beautiful. It tasted fantastic. Okay, so the pizza's arrived and I'm impressed, but I'm also scared. This looks like the best pizza ever. If this tastes half as good as it looks, it'll be the best pizza I've ever had. Look at that. Oh my God. It's so soft. The pastry. This is the first real pizza I've had in, I think, 6 months. Look at that char. Had this incredible like char and puff pastry. It was just so soft, and the cheese wasn't overdone. Man. And price-wise, it wasn't too expensive. It was about, I'd like to say, about $7 or $8 US, which is, I think, pretty good. And I met this cute little puppy who was kind of interested in playing, but most of the time was just exploring, and I hope it was all right because it was pretty small. And yeah, you must have a tough life. I hope you have a home because you're a gorgeous little thing. That was amazing. That was so good. I can't even tell you. No, I will tell you. It was really good. It was flipping good. It was possibly the best pizza I've had in Asia since I've been over here. So the last time I had a pizza was, I think it was probably a month ago, and no, it was probably just before Christmas in Uttaradit in Thailand. And that was a pepperoni as well, and that was exceptional. They were very close, but this one here pipped it. I think it's 9.3 versus like a 9.1, but yeah, Ninh Binh's incredible. Like, this is such a great first impression. Like, it's unbelievable. I knew it would be touristy, and sometimes like a lot of times, I actually avoid tourist places. Like, I went to Thailand a few times and just avoided when I was up in Chiang Mai a couple of times, I avoided going to Pai because I thought Pai would just be full of tourists, which it is, but there's a reason for that. Just like Ninh Binh, there's a reason there's tourists here. It's a little different than Mai Chau because there's infrastructure and there's businesses and shops, and this puppy is going to get absolutely munted on that road. It's a beer garden. Sometimes I wish I drank beer, just because I know I'm missing out, right? Oh. Wow, look at this. It's crazy. I just stumbled down. I've had 2 mojitos, which is like on the limit, right? And I'm almost considering just walking back to the guest house because who do you belong to? Hey. Hey. The puppy's not scared at all, just doing his own thing. Just loving life. Surprisingly a lot of bars in Tam Coc, and it's, like I look at some of the prices and I was like, wow, I don't drink beer, but I should, because I saw one place that said 7,000 dong, but the other one was 10,000. It was like 60 US cents for a beer. But I had a couple of ciders, listened to some music, and just got an early night. I was a bit tired. Today is just Ninh Binh. I want to have a little look around Ninh Binh and see what's going on. Google Maps is a big, fat liar pants, because if you can see right here, right, I have come in here, I'm on this little road, yeah, and there's this land mass, that's land, not a bridge, to an island out there. Right. What am I missing? What am I missing? Was there supposed to be land, or was there land? Like, I want to go. Now because I can't get across there, all I want to do is go. This is why I don't follow Google Maps half the time, unless I really need to, because it's a lie. It's dishonest. My trust is now broken. So we'll turn the maps off and we'll just go back to the original plan of mystery tour. In New Zealand we call it a tiki tour. I don't know how universal the word tiki tour is, but it means you just go for a drive and just sort of see where you end up. You've got a general idea of direction, but you just fill the tank, grab some snacks and just drive. So I've done that. Filled the tank. No snacks. Maybe these guys will catch me a fish. Hang on a second. Let's go and see these boys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Fish? No fish. Okay, no fish. So seafood's not on the menu today. Let's just go see how much that boat tour is. I don't think this is one of the famous ones, but that could be a good thing. That could be a good thing.
It was really good.
Okay, got it. Sounds good. Sold. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, thank you. I mean, I don't know if I'll go back in the morning, to be honest, because I just looked at the map. I kind of want to do I don't know, I feel like if I'm going to do a boat tour, I almost want to do the touristy one, the famous one. But you know what? I think what I'll do is I will do that tour tomorrow. and then I'll go to the famous one and I'll just fly the drone. Yeah. Plan, it's a plan. So how cool is this? Like, this is unbelievable. Like, you could just ride for days around here. And there's lots of local guides that will take you as well. Most of the homestays will offer a guiding service, or you just, like here, I think this is a guide. Yep, there's a guide there. I'm starting to feel the rain now. It's spitting a little bit actually. Holy dogs. I'm not dogs. Strange looking dogs. Hey boys, hello. All right, let's get some lunch. I feel like I don't know, spring rolls. So fresh. My God, it is so healthy. It's so beautiful. I'd say it's a 9.1. There's so many of these little goats everywhere. Like, who has dogs? There's no dogs anywhere, it's just goats. They're so cute, those little kids. They're called kids, right? Baby goats. That's it for today. I'm just going to enjoy the rest of this afternoon before the rain hits tomorrow. Lunch was amazing. Spring rolls are honestly the healthiest snack for me, and that makes me feel really good. Cheap, tasty, and good for you. The moral of the story is, Ninh Binh is awesome. I really like it. I think I could stay here for a week, but I'll definitely come back. See you in the next one. Have a good day.